Home hunting means viewing lots of properties. With all the homes and showings and possibilities racing through your mind, it can be a challenge for buyers to figure out which homes to pursue. Today, I want to give you some signs that make the decision for whether a home is worth for you to pull the trigger and make the offer. I'm Sean Ryan with Blue Coast Realty, and let's look at how we know it's time to make that offer. Let's go over some of the signs. First, you'll want to pay attention to your gut feeling of the home. A lot of our decision making is subconscious, and your body gives you the signals far before your mind starts thinking about it logically. Listen to the automatic push or pull towards the property. You may also feel the need to start talking about numbers, logistics, or immediately start thinking about what you need to do to make the deal happen. The next sign is one you need to be cautious of, where you ignore the flaws of the property. When you're enamored with the home, you might tend to just overlook its flaws. The thing is, you don't want to get out of the honeymoon phase after you buy a home and realize how annoying or expensive that flaw actually is. One thing our team members are going to do to protect you is to make sure you're fully aware of any flaws in the home or the property. And let's be clear on something important. We are going to give our clients the best advice possible every time, even if that means that we miss out on a specific sale. But if you are insistent about the home despite your realtor's guidance and having a strong vision on how to tackle an issue, or truly believe it's worth overlooking, that does show how strongly you're drawn to the property. One of the top signs you should make an offer is that you can easily picture life there. While walking through the home, you might be able to immediately picture where you would place the things, the photos on the walls, or those personal touches. Or maybe you can imagine cooking meals in the kitchen, hosting holiday dinners, or having movie night with the family. Those are strong signs it could be the right home for your family. Next, you may find that the process of looking at other homes, they just don't seem as appealing. Maybe you walk into another home and it just doesn't feel right, or you can't seem to get excited about it. In comparison, when you think about the home you're interested in, you just can't wait to get back inside. This is definitely a strong sign that you should make an offer. Finally, in the case of a home that needs some work, you might feel the workload is totally worth the effort. In this case, there might be an outdated flooring or a kitchen or a bathroom that hasn't been updated in decades. Yet, still, you could instantly imagine these changes being made and feel the work would be totally worth it. Sometimes, you just know a home is the one. It doesn't guarantee it's going to become yours, but these could all be great signs that you should make an offer. And then the home really could become yours. Thanks for watching, and it's time to come home to the Blue Coast.